Welcome to this tutorial on using the SCIO Cup for grain analysis. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your device, scanning grains, and interpreting the results to make informed decisions. Before we start, ensure you have your SCIO Cup, the SCIO mobile app, and a grain sample. To begin, download the SCIO app on your phone. Sign in with your provided username and password. Power on your SCIO Cup by pressing the button for 1 second. Make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled and follow the prompts to connect your app to the SCIO device. Once connected, select the grain type from the menu and select the right location. Fill the SCIO Cup with your grain sample, ensuring that there is an inch-thick layer above the dome. Place the black lid on top of the cup. Press the scan button on the cup or press scan in the app. The device will analyze the grain composition, measuring key parameters such as protein, moisture, and fat content. You can then view the results and choose to delete, scan again, or analyze. Once the scanning is complete, your average result will appear on the screen. You'll see details on moisture, protein, and fat content, allowing you to assess the grain's quality and make data-driven decisions. You can export your results for further analysis or share them with your team via email or messaging app. Results can be viewed graphically in history and reports or via a heat map. No internet, no problem. Perform the same steps, taking a minimum of 3 scans per analysis. The sample scans will be saved and the results available once the mobile device is connected to the internet. Hold the SCIO Cup button for 3 seconds to turn it off. Clean with a soft damp cloth and close the lid. Return the device to the case and avoid storing it in extreme temperatures or in the car. That's it. You're now ready to analyze grains using the SCIO Cup. For more tips and support, visit SCIO Near or reach out to our team at support@scionear.com. Thanks for watching.